Let me explain what's going on in this video. It all started when we got our DJI and tested it, and it was out of focus. So we put together a number of tests and made a video on it, and you can find that video linked somewhere up at the top there. The next video I put together was the eye test to show how far out of focus it really was. So I got some magnifying spectacles and I did the eye test, and you can see as I get more magnification, it brings the image into focus. Anyway, back and forth with DJI, and they eventually said send it off for repair. And the repair centre's in the Netherlands. For us here in Europe, so it went to them, they deemed it was faulty and sent me a new model. And again, I set up the tests and we did everything the same, put all the information across to them. And then DJI support in Netherlands, it would seem, started getting a little bit funny. So they wouldn't accept the video or the tests or the images I sent across. They had me take many images. You can see from this one how muddy this right hand side is, and at the end of the day it's supposed to be a 4K action cam. So they have me send many images across. They didn't agree that my tests this time were enough. They kept making me take images and images and images, till in the end I said it's farcical, you know, I've made the video, I've done it, and you've got everything. So they sent back this, and this was their response. I have here a comparison with our sample picture, and it looks like yours is better than ours. Both images are zoomed into 100%, so I'm afraid it is up to the standards that DJI find acceptable. And that about says it all. So I obviously sent back, I'm sorry, that's not good enough. You had me taking pictures to get an absolute perfect image, which is still below standard. The image from my 4-year-old phone is better than this. Once video begins, it's even worse and is not acceptable to me as the customer. It's an action cam that is supposed to capture amazing 4K images on the go, and it just doesn't do that. So we can only say on the back of this, don't buy the DJI Action 3. It's bad image, it's bad quality control, and it seems that DJI just don't care. And that's my reason for saying don't buy the DJI Action 3. Again, you pay your money, you take your choice, it's completely up to you. You may feel that that image quality is good, you may feel it's great. Under all my testing, it's out of focus. And out of hundreds of comments now we've had through YouTube, Facebook, everywhere we've shared the video, we've had comments to suggest that there are hundreds of other folk out there that just don't think the image quality is up to par. Thanks very much for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Most of our content isn't about action cameras and that sort of thing, but it seems to be an ongoing saga with the DJI. So yeah, thanks very much for watching and take care.